Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. Got a tune-up report today on the Stryker SR-497. This is for Edgar in Texas. Hi Edgar, we got take our power, turn all the way down. Take a look up here. 10-watt scale. On the top you see it's just a little over 3.5. And I'm going to set that for 1 through 30 on the bottom. We'll turn the power all the way up to see it goes to 30. Alright. Now, my peak reader has to go a little bigger. We'll go to the 250. And that puts 100 watts right here, 125 right at that mark there. We'll be below that. Audio, check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. Audio, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. All right. Just let it put it in the ear last. Take a 3-2 for a radio check.
Yeah, I hear you.
I appreciate it, thank you.